Hi, hello everyone. Ay, aray ko. Hello po. Oh my God, Tin! Hi, Tin! Hi, Shafira. Ayan na. Ang trauma center, kompleto ba? Ay, ayan. Hello! It's been a while. True. Haven't been doing a lot of lives recently because dami nangyari sa life. So, ito yung first live ko here at the new condo. Loving the new hair. Thank you. Actually, I waited a few days to post about it kasi when I got it cut, nakakatawa kasi the best that my hair in extensions, the best it ever looked was the night before ako nagpagupit. So, I went to the Olivia Dean event nung Saturday. Tapos, ayan, zhug. Tinala namin ni Zyko. As in, perfect, ganda niya. And then the next day, tanggal extensions, gupet. And nung una, it felt a little too short kasi at first. So I was like, ooh, I don't know how I feel about it. Parang, it was giving me medyo, may slight gender dysphoria moment. Kasi nga parang feeling ko, hala, baka ma-sir na naman ako nito. But yeah, I mean, this feels more me. Well, because it is me. Wala na siyang knots, wala na siyang sabit. Pwede na akong magkamot ng scalp ng walang problema. Like, wala na ako inaalalang mga kuto-kuto effect. Kuto-kuto effect. But like, gets, ayan. Short hair suits you, thank you. Kailan kaya babalik ang side bangs? Pwede naman, oh. Like, I mean, I can kind of part it. Ito yung maganda without extensions. I can kind of part my hair wherever I want. So, pwede ko siyang i-side part. Pwede ko siyang ikabila. Pwede ko siyang i-middle part. Pwede ko siyang lagyan ng like curtain bang since like my bangs have grown out, ganyan. Sobrang lambot mo, para kang binabad sa dami. Sasapakin ko mag-sir sa'yo. Honestly, Diva, since I cut my hair, there have been a few. I'm not gonna lie, there have been a few. But, ewan ko, parang, since I cut it, medyo it grew in really well. Bigla akong na-miss ng Season 3 Confessionals and Mix. If nami-miss mo yon, balikan mo, panoorin mo. That person, she's gone. I mean, I'm still me, of course, but like, nilet go ko na yung version na yun of myself. He did what he needed to do to get her to where she is now. Gets nyo ba? Ganda mo, sobra, pwede ka ba sa I love you? Pwede, pero papanindigan mo. Sure. May gusto na ako mapatikman kanina sa sir na yan. Di ba nga? Sabay. No, it's fine. Honestly, me, okay, so the thing is, me as a person, the reason why I identify as non-binary trans femme, although yes, I am like woman the house, I want to present and be perceived as a girl. But for me as a person kasi like, the simpler thing to say is I'm a trans woman. But I'm non-binary trans femme because I don't believe in gender for myself. Like, I don't ascribe to a single gender. I think that for me as a person, simplifying myself as a woman kind of like washes away the experience that I had in my former gender identity. But yeah, I mean like, please do perceive me, please do respect me as a woman, ganyan. I'm not particular with pronouns, pero minsan parang girl, ganap ako, tapos isa-sir mo ko, parang, wag ka na lang mambasag ng fantasy. Parang gets ba? Yun na lang yung ano ko. Parang iayon naman natin sa fantasy, ganyan. But yeah, it's like not super, alam mo yun, parang I'm not super particular with it. Pero medyo nababother lang ako kasi nga, nagkaroon ako ng gender dysphoria moment with the hair at first. At first, but now it's fine. Tinatamad ako pumasok bukas sa FEU, mag-guest ka pa man din sa tala. Eh, kung tatama rin ka, hindi mo ako makikita. Sorry ka. Okay, so ang dinner natin for tonight is This is pancit canton, yung payless kasi mas malaki siya. Chili mansi, tapos nalagyan ko ng peanut butter and egg. As in poached egg. Kasi tinamad na ako magprito pa ng egg on the side. So, nilaglag ko lang yung egg into the water. And then, nag-air fry ako ng lumpiang Shanghai from Pampanga's Best. Ano yun? May comment mahaba. As you should, babe, dapat talagang let go yung mga oras kasi sayang lang ang buhay sa mga walang katuturan na bagay. Ha? Saan ang galing yun, my dear? Bagay storm at your hair. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mas gusto ko siya na nakatikwas kaysa nakapapaloob. Same, it's just disrespectful for me as well, ha? Because we have pronouns, eh. Pero pag sa ibang establishment, if naka-makeup ka, like, di ba queen love? Basta ayon, like, gets nyo ba? Parang babaeng-babae yung atake ko. Tapos, sir, parang, minsan common sense na lang. Alam mo yun? Parang minsan common sense na lang. Like, hindi ako nakapilik mata at naka-contact lens at sobrang bikini top atake kanina para ma-sir. Like, gets nyo ba? Siguro naman parang for me, it doesn't super bother me. Pero iniisip ko kasi like, what about my other trans sisters? What about my other trans sisters that aren't as like, passing, ganyan? Gets ba? Like, so kung ako, na, medyo maganda na yung luto ng hormones give natin. So pag ako, sinasir nyo pa, paano pa yung like other trans sisters ko? Parang ganun yung logic ko eh. Parang mas doon ako no-offend rather than for myself. It's for the community, for the uplift. Amy. Ba't ka nagpagupit? Wala, bit ko lang. Na tsaka like, it's a new chapter in my life that I would just want to commemorate. Like, getting the hair done was super helpful for me in presenting myself to the world as a woman. It was helpful for me. It was helpful to kind of get me there psychologically speaking and emotionally speaking. But now it's time for me to just be myself and not have, mga kabit-kabit in my ulo. Ganyan. New chapter, new hair. My queen, isang shoutout naman dyan, baby drag queen here, Lux Noir. He love you, belated happy birthday to me. My dear, that name is taken. I suggest, alam mo yun, parang Lux Noir is already a queen on Drag Race. So, I'm sure you can find a name that better encapsulates you as a person. Nagpagabit din mula for our wedding. Oh my God. Hello po. Hi ma, first time ko pa manood ng live nyo. Ngayon lang uli ako nag-live actually, so welcome to my live. Mix, pwede po ba pa congrats because I passed all my exams today. Congratulations, Meryl, drag fan. Ganyan ang gusto ko nakikita. Hindi yung mga pengi na mga inspiration, love, hindi ko trabaho yun. Char. Like, dyan ako sa mga yes, congrats sa mga nagsipag. Ang sarap ng lumpia, sana mabot dito yan. Halika na. Suits you so well. Thank you. Yan, kain tayo. Ay, lumpiang Shanghai din compare from Mercury Drug. Perfect. Bagay ma, sabay pa blonde. Ikaw na lang mag-bleach ng buhok mo. Ikaw na lang maintain ng damaged hair. Kumusta raw ang ganap today? Oh my God, BeautyCon was so fun! First time kong pumunta ng BeautyCon actually. I mean, I've been to yung Beauty Pride event last year. But first time pupunta ng BeautyCon, as in, bakla ang pasabog nung SMX Convention Center na para bang na-imagine ko magkaroon ng DragCon Philippines, gano'n. Pero ang ganda, as in, ang ganda ng mga booth, ang ganda ng mga pakulo and everything. Chili mansi din kami dito. Kaya ako makain, nag-dinner na ako para after nito, matrabahuhin ko na yung presentation for tomorrow. Aray, crammer talaga siya. Tapos ba yung Anyway, kamusta ang mga peoples out there? Kamusta kayo? How was yours days? Pabulsa ng lumpia. Bakit bubulsahin? Next, curious if you have shows scheduled na for June onwards. Also, miss you so much. Always alagaan sa sarili. Hi, Matthew! I hope you're doing well. For June, wala pa. Medyo maaga pa for June events. Usually, inquiries for Pride, they come in mga ano na yan eh, May. May na pumapasok yung mga inquiries for Pride shows. Puro kami private tsaka mga campaigns. Yeah, at the moment, yes. Although, of course, I still want to do Pride shows. Like, Pride is my favorite time of the year. And Pride is my favorite holiday season, kumbaga. Hindi ako super Christmas person, not much of a New Year's. Girl, birthday ko nga, hindi ko celebrate masyado eh. My favorite time of the year is Pride. Like, it's so much fun. Nakakapagod, oo. Haggard, malala, oo. Pero sobrang saya. What's your gig this month? Ano pa ba? Yeah, puro private gigs and online campaigns ako at the moment. Siguro for April, try kong humirit sa Rush Wednesday uli ng Hosek for April. Parang miss ko na magubad-ubad. Char. Mga gusto mo ba Ilocos Empanada? Go, avail. Actually, masarap na may Ilocos Empanada, lalo na pag may longganisa. Anong lip combo gamit mo? I'm using MAC Cosmetics Cool Spice Lip Liner. Tapos, in the center, it's Cowgirl. Issy Cosmetics Cowgirl na yung bullet. Yes, Hosek please. I miss Hosek. I love performing at Hosek. I really enjoy the Rush Wednesday crowd sa Hosek. Like, twice na ako nakapag-Rush Wednesday. Yun yata yung favorite ko na bar gig. Like, ewan ko, ang saya lang ng crowd sa Rush Wednesday. Pag hindi present si Shafira dyan, ewan ko na lang. Alam mo, si Shafira hindi ko na inaasahan yan. How about Rampa? Sige. Let's see, try ko rin hiritan si Rampa na mag-set ulit ako. Actually, it's been a while nga na nag-perform ako sa club night ng Rampa. Last ako nag-perform dyan nung yung comeback show ni Marina, which was so fun. Teka lang, ito na naka-shoes na. Napunta ka Iloilo, please. Iloilo, what's good? B Lifestyle Complex. Katok. Miss ko na yan. It's been more than a year since I last came to Iloilo. I went to Iloilo last year for a Valentine's themed show. Miss ko na. Wag daw mag-spam. Award. Deserve. Hindi siya mag-stop ng spam. Punta ulit tayo. Actually, miss ko na Iloilo. I believe hinug ka na para mag-international. I believe yung bank account ko hindi pa. Well, I would love the opportunity, of course. Who wouldn't? But at the moment, sa dami ng gastos ko sa paglilipat ng bahay, kasi hindi ko pa nakukuha yung deposit ko dun sa kabila, sa lipatan ko. Paano na lang? Saan tayo kuha ng budget? But, oh my God. Congratulations to Godland. Congratulations to my kambal. Like, sobrang happy ko for her winning. Because I think it's the first time that a South it's the first time that a Southeast Asian has won in the franchise that's not from their home country. Parang yata, oo, ganun ba? Basta yun. Basta, gets yun na yung sentiment ko. Basta, like, it's a really great opportunity for the international girls, for the girls that are coming from non-RuPaul hosted franchise, from non-English speaking franchises. Asian Drag Excellence on top. Yes, first time, correct. Sobrang ganda naman po. Jasper, I miss you! Jasper! Love you. Ayan, ubos ko na aking dinner. Congrats po sa'yo. Yes, ako to si Godland. Nakilogin lang. Award. Hey, ayan. So ayan, tambay lang muna tayo onte. Relax. Teka nga, tayo to. Ayan. Ayan, para makapag-isang lang ng maayos. Sakit ng likod ko. Ayan. Had a great time at BeautyCon today. Gusto nyo makita yung BeautyCon haul? Actually, wala pa muna akong binili kanina sa BeautyCon because I'm quite fortunate to get a lot of PR. Not to the point na parang binibenta ko na lang yung iba. Or binibigay sa friends ko, ganyan. So hindi mo na bumili. Nasa ano pa ako, parang siguro feeling ko soon, mag-try ulit ako ng mga bagong mga makeup, ganyan. Or bibili like gets. Hala, nawawala yung train of thought ko. Char. How is 2026 going? Horribly, honestly. I mean, like, of course, it has its high moments. I'm able to go on fun adventures and side quests with my friends, yes. But 2020, medyo binubugbog ako. Bugbog sarado ako ng 2026, ang dami nangyayari sa buhay ko. But, we're rolling with the punches. Like, wala naman ako ibang asahan kundi sarili ko, ganyan. So, laban lang tayo ng laban, push lang ng push. Effect ng kanton yan, me. Actually, tinatamaan ako ng betch. See you tomorrow, Mick. See you tomorrow. Tapos Gatorade in Pisces pa. Patapos na ang retrograde, to be fair. But yeah, ayun, 2026 has not started off the best. Though, naniniwala naman ako it's going to get better from here. I think I'm in a better mental state now than I have been the past couple months. Even if slightly better. But yeah, 2026, kaya pang bumawi. Nagawa ko ng junk journal habang nanonood ng live mo. Dikitan mo nga, di mo kaya dikitan yung junk journal mo ng yung shell ng itlog. Tapos, dikitan mo ng wrapper ng Skyflakes na napulot mo sa daan. Para totoong junk journal. Charis. Yan, nakakape tayo right now. Iced coffee. Yan, pahinga lang ako na onte before ako mag-start uli ng work. Kasi sobrang galgal. Like, last 2 days na rin nung condo unit na pinaglipatan ko. So, ayun, parang i-inspection pa siya ng owner. So, hopefully, I get my security deposit in full. Hindi pa naka-ayos yung gamit ko here sa condo. Girl, tipong yung bintana ako dito, wala pa akong curtains, wala pa akong privacy, kinembolar. Basta yun. Ang dami pang kailangan gawin, ang dami pang gagawin the next few days, weeks, months, but hopefully, it's all for the better, ganyan. Birthday ko na sa 27, malayo pa. Buti alam mo. Charis. Hi, Mix. I miss you. I miss myself, too. Ha? Nagdrama. Fantasy muna tayo. Parang amat ko siyang style one of these days na parang naka-slick back ganyan. Tapos may onting ganun lang. May onting very light na ganyan lang. Or nakapagani else. Oh! Pero pag medyo mas mahaba na siya, I want a bit more length here. Anyway. Mag-unbox na daw. Ay, teka, okay, sige, wait. Hold the phone. Hawakan mo ang phone. Hawak ko ang beat. So, hindi man ako bumili ng... Ay! Over naman yung baba ng angle na yon. Muntik na makita ang brilyante ng tubig. Charis. Hindi man ako bumili ng anything sa BeautyCon kanina. I did get hold out. Parang next year na uli ako dadaan sa Watsons. Parang next year na tayo uli magsha-shopping sa Watsons. Ginagawa mo ba akong tomboy mix Chanel? Ay, wala. Hindi ko choice yun. Choice mo. Hindi mo choice yun. Hindi rin siya choice. Hindi choice ang pagiging tomboy. Kung natotomboy ka, baka tomboy ka talaga. Anyway, kung maging tomboy ka man, I support. I'm a huge ally of the Wolawog community. Anyway, ayan. Ito ang ating haul. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Ayan. Koji-san soap. Buti pala dito ako sa Instagram nag-live kasi kung sa nick nyo ako nag-live, hindi ko mapapakita yung mga produktong ito. Ayan. So, meron tayong Koji-san. Love it. Though, not a big fan of whitening products because I do love my skin color, especially when it's tan, when I'm like super morena like that. Next up, ito gagawin ko. Dove Bio-Keratin Straight and Silky. Keratin! Ibang brand yun. Ito ay cologne from Avon, Sweet Honesty. Use code honesty, comment honesty for 500. Check. Nag-live sell. Ay, eto, magagamit ko to. Ayan. Gamit na gamit yan sa akin. Sana all straight. Real. Next up, we have Melovita C Brightening Whip Cleanser from Pretty Secret. Oh, ba't mo sinabi sa akin? Secret pala eh. Cherry. Ito, I actually do use this brand. Si Hairfix. I've used their purple shampoo before when I was still blonde, ganyan. But I do like this brand. I love an anti-dandruff shampoo. Though it can be a bit harsh if you have chemically treated hair. But I do love an anti-dandruff shampoo. I love a shampoo that's like scalp clarifying, ganyan. So, ayan. Avail. Next up, we have Dermaid Whitening Booster Tranexamic Acid Niacinamide Spotless Serum. So, pang trans. And then, ito, yung partner na shampoo na tong conditioner, hey, Avail yan sa akin. Magamit yan. Ang dami. Napapagod na ako. Press 1 ko itutuloy pa. Ba't may napkin ma? Binigay nga lang to sa akin. Mine, pasador. Anong pasador? Oh, 1. May nag-press 1. Okay, sige, ituloy. Natamad na ako. Ito ay Nutri-Expert Biotin Hair, Skin, and Nails. Avail. I love a supplement. Love. I take how many? I take collagen. I take my fiber pills. I take my appetite balancer. I also take 5-HTP sometimes. I take magnesium sometimes. Basta yon. Anyway. Next is Dermaid Whitening Booster. Cream. Okay, so may partner na cream yung serum. I love it. Pasador is napkin. Ah, okay. Go. Siguro na pasabak to sa hakot challenge. Bakla, Wiz, inabot lang sa akin tong eco bag. Syempre, hindi ko naman tatanggihan. Next up, we have Scalp Treatment Plus Black Glutinous Rice Shampoo by Vita Nature. Bioscalp Defense and Salicylic Acid. Okay. Hindi ko na-gets kung para saan yon. Pero go, shampoo. Hi, Blythe! Eto, Avail. Prickly Heat, Cooling Soap, we love. We love. Next up, we have another soap, Baby Face Natural Bar, Deep Moisture Collagen. Alam nyo, si Shawarma may napkin din. Correct. Hello po, apakaganda. Hi, neighbor! Hi, KV! I do not like collagen soaps. I don't like skincare that has collagen because the only way for your body to absorb collagen is orally. As in, kailangan ma-digest and absorb ng katawan mo yung collagen. Hindi siya tumatagos through, hindi nagpe-penetrate ang collagen through the skin. So I do not like products that advertise collagen tapos parang skincare siya. Kasi parang, girl, hindi naman, it's not gonna work. Anyway. Ang next stock ni Lucky Winner ay si Pen Shop Elements Ice o Body Spray. Panlalaki sa mga kaibigan. Mga best friend. Alam nyo, yung mga best friend ko lalaki, minsan pumapaldo din talaga sa akin. Ang hirap maging unikaihan ng barkada kasi go. Like, yung mga boy clothes ko, so I sold some of my boy clothes on GGSS, but a lot of them kinuha ng mga kaibigan ko. Mga kaibigan ko nag-avail. Anyway. Next up, we have this. Oh my God. Share ko lang. This is my favorite toothpaste. Itong Dentiste. Kasi sobrang, like, sobrang linis ng feeling niya sa bibig. Yeah, para kang galing dentist. Basta ito yung favorite kong toothpaste. So, I love it. Nasa nasa toiletries kit ko to, nasa drag makeup bag, kineso. Sa boyfie, wala po akong jowa. Next up is Pond's. Pond's UV Miracle. Ay! Gusto ko to. Pond's, I love it. Thank you. Next up, we have makeup brush from Absidy. Thank you, Absidy Cosmetics, for the brush. Next up, we have Kathy Doll Sunblock with glutathione. Okay, whitening sunscreen. Personally, not a huge fan of whitening products for myself. For the people that like whitening products, go love that for you. But for me, not so much. Girlfriend meron. Wow! Grabe ka naman. Another toner. Glycolic. Oh, I love a glycolic. Oh! Bakit nagbago yung filter? Wala, decision tong Instagram. Bakit pinalitan yung filter? Ayok. Ayan, ito na lang. Go. Toner of Ilch. This is from Dermo Republic. Barbie Pro Lash Curler. Tapos yung colors niya ay pang trans. So, rose gold, tapos blue yung rubber. I love it. Trans curler. Trans lash curler. Pasabog. Okay. Nakakailang ubos na ako na itong Senka Perfect Whip. One of my all-time favorite facial washes. Avail nyo to, kung makita nyo to sa Watson, avail nyo na siya. Perfect. As in talagang perfect whip. Next. Nasaan to? Ay, ito, ayan. Ayan. Neutrogena Visible Repair Regenerating Cream. Retinol. Oh, avail. We love a retinol. Fino Premium Touch Hair Mask. Mabango ba to? Amoyin natin siya. Is this for How to use. After shampooing, lightly squeeze, appropriate amount. Hair. Okay. So, conditioner. Parang conditioner siya. Parang deep conditioning Kenesu. Mix, when ka mag-show sa Hive Bar sa Pampanga, PM mo yung Hive Bar Pampanga page. Sabihin mo, i-book nila ako. Anong tips, Romampa, ma? May runway kami bukas. I'm so verve. Anong verve? Practicein mo lang. Like, just walk with confidence. Sabi ka ni, Meme Vice. Ang dami pa. Napapagod na ako. Ayoko na. Char. Okay, next. Colgate Purple. Oh! Okay, I do enjoy this Colgate Purple toothpaste. But this is a serum type. So parang mas pasabog yata ito. Anyway, avail. I like this. Bakit parang kamukha mo si Godland, be? Be, check mo yung story ko. Sabi ko nga, Twinnie, diba? Char. Kambal ko yon. Congratulate nyo siya. Sabihin nyo, congrats kambal ni Nix. Check. Body sunblock. Koji-san. Love. Okay. Wala lang. May naisip lang ako. Tapos parang, okay, hindi pala. Anyway. Grabe, naramdaman ko yung betchy nung Pansit Canton. Next is, ay yung kaninang hindi ko maintindihan. May partner siyang shampoo and conditioner. Para feeling ko bet ng nanay ko to. Yung nanay ko mahilig sa mga like natural ingredients, skin pamparahi. Next up, more Koji-san, vitamin C lotion. Okay. So, pasabog. Gusto ko yung partner-partner yung mga products nila. I love that. Oh! Ito, kailangan ko to. Kailangan ko to. Daily Odor Protect Spray. Yan. Dito ka sa puki ko. Ay, ayaw pa niya. Wait. Ayaw niya. Ayaw ng spray bottle, be. Homokojik. Homokojik, hindi daw for me. Eh di wag. Ayop naman eh. Paano? Hindi ba siya... Hindi siya... Ayaw niya! Ayaw niya. Di wag. Damot. Alam mo, Homokojik ka PH Care. Charis. Laro, ginagawa ko yung shampoo dati. Yung PH Care. Ginagawa mo shampoo yung PH Care? Anyway, ayaw niya sa akin. Homokojik siya. Oh, another one. Oh, ito din. Oh, tingnan natin kung homokojik din tong bote na to. Tingnan natin. Oh, before i-spray alug-alugin. Ayaw niya talaga, be! Bakla! Ayaw niya talaga. 8 years old talaga ako nun. Be, nung 8 years old ako, may common sense naman ako. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari sa'yo. Pero nung 8 years old ako, alam ko namang hindi shampoo ang PH Care. Si Mama Ril ba to? Hi, Mama Ril. Eh, ito, love ko to. Vaseline Gluta-Hya na lotion. Gluta-Hya! Anyway, ito yung lotion ko. I love this lotion. Ayan, Avail. More haul is now. Next, okay, more Koji-san. Thank you, Koji-san. Feeling ko si J. Queen ang makakabit nito. Si J. Queen ang mahilig sa yung gluta-gluta eh. Glad to Glow, Centella, Allantoin. Sino si Allantoin? Charot. Allantoin Soothing Gel Moisturizer. Ang ganda niya kasi mukha siyang hair gel. Gagi, ang dami. Totoo, be. Parang kalahati pa lang tayo ng bag. Anyway, next is, okay, may another partner, si toner and si serum. Goach. Shawarma. Ate ko shawarma. Kamusta ang haul? Parang binili buong Watsons. Di ba nga? Sabi ng Watsons, be, huwag ka na magpakita sa amin mga 1 year. Ganyan. Cream Silk Keratin. I love it. As a Cream Silk girl, we love. We love. Ganyan. Anong pengi, te? Te. Okay, wag daw. Okay. Okay, go. HM na gastos mo, basta. Oh my god, I love, okay, this is the Bello Sun Expert Dewy Essence Sunscreen Watermelon Kiss. I really love the Bello facial sunscreen. I'm excited to use this. Though I'm not the biggest fan of scented skincare, pero parang I'll make an exception for this. Maganda ba yung Watson Convention Center? Girl, sobrang pasabog nung BeautyCon. Like, I love it. Hindi ako makaget over sa napkin. Kanina pa yun. Kanina pa yun. Next up, we have Aveeno. We love Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Perfect. more shopping. Okay, go. Next, Colgate. Colgate Optic White. Availage. Ala, ate ko Versex. Ano natin? Skin Pore Factor Ceramide. Oh. Avail. This, mine. Avail ko yan siya. You look so pretty. Thank you. Next up, we have Dr. O Gentle Sensitive Cleansing Soap made for sensitive skin. Oh, I love. Gusto ko, namili ko sa mga ganito. Yung mga like, sensitive skin soap, ganyan-ganyan. Ang usually kong binibili na sabon is yung mga sulfur soaps because I like the extra linis feeling. What if invite ka namin sa fiesta? Anong gagawin ko dyan? Char. Skintific 5X my low pH cleanser. Love it. Thank you, Skintific. Dapat pag-avail may pitik with soft moves. Hindi ko gets ano yun. Wala pa ako dun sa side na yun ng TikTok. Like, ano yung pitik with soft moves? Ano yung pitik with soft moves? Paano yun? Kaya bahala na. Listerine. Bakit Chinese yung Listerine ko? Bakit Chinese? Anyway, next. Oxycure Acne Clear Concealer. OMG Live si Ganda, I miss you, Madam. Alessandra. Yan ha, hindi chronically online. Hindi talaga. This hair is so beautiful on you. Thank you, Ollie. I miss you. Buksan natin yan siya. Shit, oo nga, concealer nga! Ala, GV. Kulay ko ba to? Parang hindi. Pero parang carry kasi at least like brightening siya ganyan. Hello, mahal. Sino to? Panindigan mo yung mahal na yan ngayon. Panindigan mo yung mahal. Hindi yung minamahal-mahal nyo ako, tapos di mo papanindigan. Paano pag kinilig ako? Okay, hindi siya super, well, gaga kasi, onting tuldok lang yung ginawa ko. Pero parang hindi siya super coverage. Pero parang carry na rin. Go. Next up is Unseen Daily Sunscreen. More sunscreen, which paldo tayo sa sunscreen, which we love because we need to protect our skin from the sun. Diyan nagsimula lolo at lola ko. Saan? Alam mo, may pakiskis ka pa. Oh, may pakiskis ka pa. O, ano gagawin ko dyan? Kiss back kita eh. Ano? Palag! Char! Makes it was nice to see you. Hi, neighbor! Hi, Paolo! Next up, we have Cetaphil. Salamat, Cetaphil. Yes. And next, okay. Super bet ko to. Anong shade to? Wait. So this is the mini cream blush ng Lucky Beauty. Favorite shade ko, the one that I have, the one I always use, is si Crush, yung shade. This one is oh! I love, oh! Etong mga gantong kulay, mga gantong parang red, ito yung mga, kahit on bare skin, idadab mo lang na very light. Tapos parang mukha ka lang mukha ka lang mestiza, ganon, mestiza blush. Hi, my pretty abab. Hello, hello, hello. Hala, kilig siya. Diba? Pinapakilig, tas hindi papanindigan. Ganyan yan eh. Ganyan yung mga tao na yan. Next. Fresh Oral Lab. Oh, ayan. Para pag hinalikan fresh, di ba? Chuchu ko ganyan ang shade. Chuchu Beautier. Next. Perfect Nonsense Bambuzi Cocktail. Ano to? Pabango. Okay, so pabango siya. Ayaw niya magpabukas, so wag na lang. Basta pabango yan siya. Next up, ito, another partner, Scalp Expert Kinesu. Ang dami, napagod ako. Tuloy ko pa ba? Press 3. Charis. Uy, ito, pasabog to. Itong Rexona Dry Serum. The Rexona Dry Serum and the Dove Dry Serum, I've been using that Dio for years. As in, nakaka-ano siya, nakaka-perfect siya ng kilikili. So, we love her. Love her. Highly recommend, highly suggest. Next is Nivea Luminous Anti-Spot Daily Moisturizer. Salamat, Nivea. Nivea, we love you. Ayan, more sunblock. More moisturizer, sunblock. Perfect. Facial Cream Whitening Vita from iWhite Korea. iWhite Korea, I used to also use this brand. This is such a reliable, tinamad magsalita. This is such a reliable drugstore brand na super, murayta lang. Yeah, we love her, iWhite Korea. Press 3, naging puno nga, punor. Soft ba? Oh! Vice Cosmetics! May bago tayong blush from Vice Cosmetics in the shade. Oh my God! Yung mga binibigay nilang blush, yung mga nakuha kong blush is reds. I love red blushes. Oh, ito yung Mochi Kineso. Alam mo, sobrang gandang-ganda ako sa component na to ng Vice Cosmetics. Oh, okay. Yes. Parang yes. Parang yes is today. Parang isa-swatch natin siya. Oh, okay, yes. Ang technique ko kasi pag nag-blush ako, especially pag drag, kunyari ayan, like ito, naka-contour ako, to help the contour more. Para to help deepen the contour, I use a blush that's darker. So I use like a brighter shade, like right here. Tapos dito, I use a darker shade. I think this is perfect for that. Love her. Love. We will get a lot of use out of this. Next is Color Tints from Colorate. Multi-use soft matte tint. I think I used to use this. Yung Emma. Nung ano pa siya, yung parang naka-nail polish bottle pa. I think ginagamit ko to shade na to before. Emma. Love it. Next is Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in Baked. Ano to? Di ba super sikat to? Isa to sa mga like, naging yung first releases ng Sunny's, yung initial releases ng Fluff Matte. Alam ko itong Baked yung sumikat na shade eh. Pero ayaw niya lumabas sa box, so wag na lang. Kaya na yan. Sola Juicy Jelly Vitamin C Makeup Removing Wipes. Drag Queen's best friend, makeup removing wipes. We love her. Pogi pa ni ni Sir Jelly. Sir Jelly. Sir Jelly talaga. Okay, eto mga gamit ko din to. Amat to lately. Kasi nga, nagdadalaga ang girl. So yung suso natin medyo gumagaro ng very light. Like mahilig ako sa mga hapit na shirts, 'di ba? So, pang siya. Pang ganon, para iwas baktong, ganyan. Kinikilig ako high-key Miss Team Mix. Hindi ko gets ano yun. Anong Misty Mix? Ano yun? Good luck naman, mix exam ko tomorrow. Uy, thank you! Ikaw yung may exam pero ikaw yung nag-good luck sa akin. Grabe ka na lang talaga. More Oh, okay. Ito, the Bright Glow ng I White Korea. Love her, love her, love her, love her. Highly recommend. Next up, Lucky Beauty. This is a dewy lipstick. Oh, is this the parang traditional lip stain na parang juicy, wet yung ano? Hi, Kev! I miss you! Parang ito nga. Hala, oh my God, parang amat ko to lately. Pero parang ang dark. Parang dark ng color niya. Okay, medyo ano siya. Medyo parang pang-morena siya. Siguro pag nakapag-beach na ako ulit. Parang mas pang-morena siya. Medyo sa skin tone ko right na medyo bugbog effect siya. Makamusta naman, marami ba silang pag-giveaway? Maraming mga pasabog na products doon. Maraming worth buying. Sure. Fudge, ang ganda, mine. Ano, AC, mabubulok hanggang December. Mine ka, tapos mabubulok hanggang December. Kung pupunta ka dito ng May, kung babalik ka sa Pilipinas ng May, sa'yo to. Pero pag sa December ka pa bumalik, wag ka na. Nang away. Nang away daw sa live. Ang dami pa. Ito na lang, oh. Ayan na, oh. Konting-konti na lang. Alay, Shafira, nagpalit pa ng account. Next up, we have Tevion. Parang kilala naman nila ako. Parang kilala nila ako. Like, look at this, Tevion. This is lip gloss. So, I'm assuming it's a hydrating lip gloss. And the shade. Mag-focus ka, hindi. Nababasa nyo ba? Sana mabasa nyo. Basta ayan. Dahil dyan, eto ka. Oh, gagi. Oh, gag. Oh, gag her. Oh. Oh. Gagi! Gagi! Gagiana, Gagnesa! Tevian! 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 Tevian, usap tayo! Hi, sister ko, Avin! Hi, Avin! I miss you. Supernova nga! Tevian! Tevian, hit me up! Tevian! My God! Love. Anyway. Sola Purple Mud Spot Eraser. Spot Corrector, okay. Perfect. Alam nyo, I haven't really been acne prone lately. I think also because of the hormones. Parang the hormones have been parang helping my skin a lot. Also collagen. Nagko-collagen kasi ako. So, but if I do get pimples, I do know na meron akong mga sasalo. Gets ba? Anyway. Naka ko Facial Vibe. Miss na kita. Nakdaan ka dito. Ang daming ang daming shopping. Naka ko. Shopping ka. Yes, the hormones helps the skin. Diba nga? The hair. The hair. Gusto ko yung ganyan, yung tikwes-tikwes effect siya. Tila bagang siya, Alice Cullen. Tapos magkaka-vision. Ganon. Next, we have ito, Ready Set Glow Badass Face Tint. So, parang yung shade niya is medyo cool tone, medyo brown, medyo parang sun-kissed atake. Go, isa-shopping yan ha. Carry ba Sunday? Carry naman! Oh, parang wala pa naman ako activities na Sunday. What if magluto sa Sunday? Teka ka lang. Merong pouch for Missy. I love when I get pouches in PR. Because I really do get to use them. Plus, it's Issey. I love Issey. I love Issey. Anyway. Merong pabango. Top notes, aldehydes, bergamot, neroli, jasmine. Very floral. Very parang Saya Goncillo ito eh. Saya Goncillo, shout out. Onting-onti na lang. Onting-onti na lang. Next, Koji-san Dream White Anti-Aging Overnight Cream. Beto ng nanay ko. Mahilig ang nanay ko sa mga ganyan-ganyan overnight Kim Pambara. Happy Skin Lip Jelly Dewy Gel Tint. Okay, gel tint. Is this a lip and cheek situation? Just a lip situation. Ang ganda ng component. Halata mong ang ganda ng component. This is the shade Tutti Frutti. So I'd expect Tutti Frutti to be, by the name Tutti Frutti, I'd expect it to be more pink, more bright. But this is quite like bricky, parang puro brick colors yung sinasend nila sa. Okay, medyo mas ano naman siya, mas bright naman siya than the other one that we swatched. Na hindi ko na matandaan ko ano yung pangalan nun. Oh, I like the hydrating glossy finish. Love her. Avail. Mine part 2. Si manigas ka. Manigas ka. December ka pa uwi, di ba? Another one is Ethereal Liquid Pigment from Lucky Beauty. Lucky Beauty. Thank you, Lucky Beauty. Pretty mo naman pa. Thank you. Anong pigment ito? Okay. Flay. Ay, ito. Parang gusto ko to. Parang mga kulay ko to. I love a very, very light nudie shade. Love. Okay, I love. Okay. That one. Oh, that one I really like. Oh, okay. This is for very no makeup atake days. This on bare skin. Yes. Tingnan mo, like, hindi siya masyadong halata. Like, gusto ko yun yung parang namumula effect lang. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you. Alam mo, I really love Lucky Beauty. Get Ready With Me, Issey, and Lucky Beauty, I think have to be my favorite local brands. CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. Thank you, CeraVe. Sola, another daily sunscreen from Sola. Perfect. Balance Full Serum. Okay, Centella Asiatica. One of the skincare ingredients I really like. Centella Asiatica. This is from the brand Torriden. First time I ever heard of this brand, so thank you. Of course, Nivea Micellar Water. Salamat, Nivea. Mga sachet atake. Water cream from Dr. Jart. Salamat, Dr. Jart. Eto! Okay, see this one. This Dove dry serum. Love this. Nakakakinis ng kilikili malalato. Next up, we have, apple cider gummies. Parang hindi ito yung gummies na amats ko, pero go. Mali. Basta apple cider gum, okay, I love a supplement. Tapos ito, from Jergens. Age-defying Kim Pampara. Next, ang ganda nito. Beauty of Joseon. Centella Asiatica, we love. Centella Asiatica. Tapos, tingnan mo yung packaging. Kitang-kita mo yung mask. Agad, ewan ko. GV ako. Anyway. Tapos, ito. Round Lab. Water Gel. Kim Pampara. Korean siya. Di ko mabasa. Thank you. Tapos, another mask from Birch Juice. Thanks. Tapos, last but definitely not the least, Absidy Soft Cheeks Blurring Powder Blush. In the shade Haven. This one is a bit more brownie brown. Parang mas bronzer atake na to. The component! The component! Oh yes! This is a brownie blush. Medyo pa bronzer atake. Love her. Okay. Thank you so much, Absidy. Biore 4-pack. Thank you, Biore. Tapos, ito. Thank you, SM BeautyCon 2026. Perfect. Okay na yon. Tapos na tayo mag-haul. Pagod ako. Anong ginagawa ng apple cider gummies? Take 1 gummy per day. Chew each gummy carefully and thoroughly. Ang hirap mag-open ng mga ganitong ziplock ng may kuko. Medyo ano siya. Medyo amoy suka nga siya. Ito, ayan. This is in the shade apple cider vinegar. Char. Okay, wait. Ah! Hindi nyo nakita yun. Hindi nyo nakita yun. Hindi nyo nakita yun. Ah, saan? Saan? Natapon ba sa likod? Alam mo, kung hindi to supplement, baka naubos ko to. Anyway, that's it for our haul. Boba tea, gnarly. Check. Ang random na. Ang random na nangyayari. Napagod ako. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Short hair, Shangandis. Thank you, sister ko, Fiva. Support nyo naman si Fiva. Punta kayo sa puntahan nyo yung booth ng Colorette. Pa-picture kayo sa picture ni Fiva. Andun siya. Ligpit time? Anong ligpit time? Ganito lang yan. Okay na ako, pagod na ako. Sige na, tigil na natin to. Bye, go.